Hi, this is Mark Evanstein with Music.py. I've decided to give my channel a name and start making a series of short videos on composing music in Python. So this will be my first ever Python music short. So for this first video, I thought it'd be fun to show you how I made the audio logo for this new channel. The script starts by importing the Scamp libraries, creating a session called S, and then asking that session to create a new piano part and storing it in the variable piano. Basically, the idea here is just a text sonifier, right? So I start with the text music.py, and then for each character in the text, if the character is a space, then I wait for 1/5 of a second. If the character is alnum, so char.isAlnum is checking whether the character is alphanumeric, so whether it's a number or a letter. In that case, I'm just going to play a note with this pitch, this volume, and this duration. The duration is 0.06 of a second, so pretty fast. The volume is 0.5, so about half volume. And then the pitch, so ord takes the character and converts it to an integer. So if I, for instance, say ord A, that gives me 97. If I do ord Z, that gives me 122, etc. But 122, you might notice, is a little bit high for a MIDI number. So that's why I subtracted 20 from the number. And then lastly, if it's not a space and it's not alphanumeric, then I figured it's something like punctuation. I was thinking about this period right here. So in that case, we wait 0.2 to give it a little bit more oomph, and then play at higher volume ord car. And this one I didn't subtract 20 from because then it would get too low. And then we wait 0.2 afterwards. And so that puts a little space around the punctuation. So what it sounds like is this. So there you go. And you can type anything you want right here, you know, music is the food of love, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, question, question, question. And that sounds like this. So there you go. The last thing that I should say is that I actually routed this through Pianotech. So I've got this instance of Pianotech running in the background here. And if I just change this to say new MIDI part, so it sends a MIDI stream out and it's going to go through MIDI through, which is the name of the virtual MIDI cable I'm using. Then if I run it again, comes through Pianotech, and I'm just using one of these weird random instruments that you can get by randomizing the settings on Pianotech. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying any of this for yourself, I've put links in the description. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, or go outside and enjoy your natural surroundings.